2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, center armrest, 8 speakers, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, steering wheel controls, black door handles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.